Hey folks, I am on a DIY project to put together the desk monitor stand. This is a 49 inches by weight 17 pounds monitor stand. So these are the monitor arms, and that is the rod, and these are the other equipment and accessories. So guys, stay true until the final installation process. So guys, so this part is going in here and in between here. So let's get that down. I need a little screw. Get that out. Alright guys, let's put the screw together. Okay, now that's done, we will find the lower arm of the base and then put that together. So let's go. Okay, after that, the next thing is to mount our rod. You can see that the rod is inserted. Make sure you tighten it to have a firm grip. Okay, that looks good. So the next step is to open our monitor connectors. Open it like that. Then we're gonna get our monitor arms and set those straight and get them for connection. Okay folks, this is where we are now to install the monitor arms. So we need these washers, is two of them that will go right into this loop. Alright, so let's put that down. Okay folks, let's put the second one in and get our second arm. Okay, here we go. Now let's get screw to tighten that up. Alright, let's tighten that screw up. Alright, let's tighten the second bar. So here we are, it's time to install the arms. So we'll put that, slide it in, and this is the bolt for that. We'll make sure we tighten that, screw that in, make it tight. Okay, after that, now we will turn this, turn that. And so inside here we'll find this bolt that we can loosen. Here we are now, it's facing the system, facing forward. So that is how we just want that to be. Okay, so we're gonna do the same for all the remaining 3 arms. Okay, now our arms looks good, all sturdy and installed. Now it's time to mount the computer, the monitors.